Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for August 24th. We're currently looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This particular pair closed up for this past session, is moving sideways. It does have a bias that is slightly to the downside. Look for this pair to potentially move as high as as 95.60, possibly as low as 93.61. Look for some resistance around 94.95 and look for some support around 93.65. Let's take a look at the Euro USD. This pair closed down today, formed an inside bar, so be looking for a potential breakout of this pair. This pair is moving sideways with a bias that is sideways. Potentially, it could move as high as 144.44, possibly as low as 141.99. Look for some resistance around 143.60 and look for some support around 142.55. Now, switching to the pound US dollar pair, this pair closed down for this session. It is moving sideways, biased is sideways. We'd have to get a close below this low to really look for it to continue lower. Not sure if that's going to happen anytime soon or not. Just have to keep an eye on it. Definitely look for this pair to potentially move as high as 166.51, possibly as low as 162.79. Look for some resistance around 164.75 and look for some support around 163.37. Now, looking at the US Swiss, this pair closed up today. It does look like it's going to reverse, but or has reversed a little bit from our lows, but we'll definitely have to keep an eye on it to see if it continues further. Look for this pair to potentially move as high as 1.0699, possibly as low as 10495. Look for some resistance around 10652 and look for some support around 10562. Now, as far as news announcements goes, tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, we have the U.S. Releasing their consumer confidence for August. Consensus is that things have improved from 46.6 to 47.9, which would be good news for the dollar. Now, as far as what I'm looking for, as far as the market possibly looking at trades, if you remember yesterday, we looked at a reversal here, putting our stop loss below the low, looking for it to continue up higher, which it has done so far. I'm looking for it to tag this previous support line right here that could now be resistance. Definitely could see it hitting that in the next session. Now, that was kind of what we looked at yesterday. What I'm looking for, if you want a quick little scalp, we have this session's low. We haven't quite broken it yet, but if you notice, that session's low and this session's low pretty much are the same. That's basically hit support at that level and pulled back. Happened here again. So if we get a break of that, we're definitely going to move a little bit lower. So you could look to short at 163, say 88, which is a pip below it. Maybe 87 would be even better, just in case it goes one pip and pulls back against you. Take a look at this session's low for a very, very quick scalp. And I realize it would be very quick, but you're looking at around 10 pips after spread. So very quick little trade. If you want to go to break even at that point and see if it'll pull down to this level, you could definitely do that as well. Well, that about does it for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.